It's a fact. You can save more time and money by changing what's under the spindle, not on it. And Jergens work holding solutions make it easy. But if your application also requires unparalleled accuracy in addition to setup speed, then you need the 0-point system. This revolutionary technology allows you to position and clamp in a single step, cutting setup times by up to 90%. Available with either pneumatic or hydraulic release, these positive locking locating modules allow operators to quickly change out large and small fixtures with unparalleled accuracy and minimal effort. It's simply the lowest cost, fully automatic solution for quick pallet changing. On the left, we have a traditional vise. The operator has to position it, install the studs and nuts, manually indicate the vise's position, lock it down, install parallels and parallel keepers, clamp down the workpiece, and probe the part. Compare that to the 0-point system on the right. It starts with a Jergens narrow base vise pre-installed with 0-point system pull studs. The 0-point system clamping modules are already pre-installed into a clamping plate on the machine, so all the operator has to do is drop the vise into the modules and release the hydraulic pressure to lock it down. No indicating necessary. Then he just installs the part and he's ready to machine. Talk about fast! On your marks, get set, go! As you can see, the narrow base vise holds two parts to save you even more time. The 0-point system is ideal for a wide variety of applications, including milling, welding, injection molding, grinding, and measuring. Do you need extreme positional accuracy, dependable repeatability, the fastest possible setup and changeover times? Then you need the 0-point system. And here's the bottom line savings with the 0-point system. Save critical shop time, build capacity, and realize significant savings under the spindle with Jergens quick change fixturing solutions.